لاسٹ ویڈیو میں ہم نے دیکھا تھا کہ برینیاک ارتھ پر اٹیک کرتا ہے اور سب کچھ ڈسٹروائے کرنے لگتا ہے۔ جب بیری کو یہ پتہ لگتا ہے تو وہ بھی ہیلپ کے لیے بیٹ مین اور گرین ایرو کے پاس آتا ہے اور ان کے ساتھ مل کر کام کرنے لگتا ہے۔ اور ہم نے یہ بھی دیکھا تھا کہ گرین لینٹرن بھی اپنے سیکٹر کو پروٹیکٹ کرنے کے لیے واپس آتا ہے ارتھ پر، تو بیٹ مین اسے ایکوامین کی ہیلپ لانے کے لیے اٹلانٹس بھیجتا ہے۔ لینٹن جب اٹلانٹس میں ایکوامین کے پاس جاتا ہے تو آرتھر اس کی کسی بھی بات سننے پر راضی نہیں ہوتا کیونکہ اس نے سپرمین کا ساتھ دیا تھا۔ ہیل کے بہت سمجھانے کے باوجود بھی اسے کوئی فرق نہیں پڑتا، مگر جب اسے یہ پتہ لگتا ہے کہ برینیاک کی آرمی نے اٹلانٹس پر اٹیک شروع کر دیا ہے تو وہ اس کی ہیلپ کرنے کے لیے تیار ہو جاتا ہے۔
And remind Batman, stay out of my seas.
And when that's on your doorstep,
Atlantis will defend itself.
Maybe sooner than you think. We need to help each other.
Go! I don't need your distraction.
This is exactly what happened up there. First they take out communications, then they invade. Your oceans, but it's also my sector. Let me help you.
Cover me. My people are getting flanked. Hold this line. Be our rear guard.
On it. And you?
I'm the vanguard.
Hal Jordan, you have returned.
Good to be back where I belong. Kinda like you in a prison cell.
Even as Yellow Lantern, you never showed me the proper respect. But I will show you how easily your will is broken.
We're locking down the gates, but the fight's not over. Hal.
Sorry, I was somewhere else. Where's this leave us?
You put yourself at risk for Atlantis. Maybe you can be trusted.
So, you're in?
I can't. I belong here, defending my people.
The beta phase is complete. Earth's defense is irreversibly compromised. Begin the countdown.
اس کے بعد لینٹن واپس بیٹمین کے پاس آتا ہے اور اسے بتاتا ہے کہ ایکوامین کی ہیلپ انہیں مل جائے گی، مگر فلیش کہتا ہے کہ اس کی ہیلپ کے باوجود ہم برینیاک کی بہت بڑی آرمی کا مقابلہ اس طرح اکیلے نہیں کر سکتے، ہمیں سرفیس پہ اور لوگ چاہیے ہوں گے مدد کے لیے۔ تو بیٹمین انہیں فائر اسٹارم اور بلو بیٹل کا بتاتا ہے اور یہ بھی بتاتا ہے کہ وہ سپرمین کے سیل کی پروٹیکشن کر رہے ہیں، کیونکہ اگر ہم سکسیسفل نہ ہوئے تو کوئی تو ہونا چاہیے برینیاک کو کلاک تک پہنچنے سے روکنے کے لیے۔
Too busy for this? They're the last line of defense if Brainiac moves on Superman.
Well, if Brainiac doesn't try busting him out of prison, Black Adam and Wonder Woman will. The worse things get, the more people will think we should let him out to help. I'm just saying.
Hope the new kids can hold down the most wanted man in the galaxy.
Beetle and Firestorm are green, but together, they're the most powerful team we have.
दूसरी तरफ ब्लू बीटल और फायरस्टॉर्म सुपरमैन के सेल की प्रोटेक्शन कर रहे हैं। अच्छा, अब यहाँ पर अगर किसी को नहीं पता तो मैं बताता चलूँ कि ये जो लड़का है और साथ में ये जो अंकल है ना, ये दोनों मिलकर फायरस्टॉर्म बनते हैं। और अगर आप इन लोगों के बारे में मजीद जानना चाहते हैं तो आप लेजेंड्स ऑफ टुमारो शो लाजमी देखें। अच्छा, इसके बाद वहाँ पर वंडर वुमन, ब्लैक एडम और कारा सुपरमैन को छुड़वाने के लिए आ जाते हैं और जहाँ पर कारा की सुपरमैन के साथ मुलाकात होती है और उसे पता लगता है कि उसके प्लेनेट का कोई और भी बंदा जिंदा है जो कि उसी की फैमिली से रिलेटेड है। और वहाँ पर ब्लू बीटल और फायरस्टॉर्म उन लोगों को रोकने की कोशिश करते हैं और काफ़ी हद तक कामयाब भी हो जाते हैं। मगर एंड पर वहाँ पर बैटमैन पहुँच जाता है जो कि कुछ ऐसा करता है जिसकी किसी को भी उम्मीद नहीं थी। अब वो क्या है वो आप लोग खुद देख लें।
So we're the only thing between a crisis and an apocalypse?
I can get behind that.
Brainiac?
Or the Superman fan club.
Either way, I suggest we fuse.
Game on.
Red Sun cell secure. It must be the power center.
The power center. If it goes down, those generators shut off.
And he flies right out of here.
Am I dreaming? Here's the plan. One of us takes Adam. The other restarts the generators before Superman gets loose.
A feeble plan. It's more likely you will die here.
Guess we're on the front lines now.
You're a naive boy with too much power. Much like the deceased Billy Batson.
Maybe I really am a badass.
Let's circle back, lock down Superman's cell.
The old man's standards sure have dropped.
You noobs are so desperate to impress Batman. Why? He's weak.
If your papa's weak, what's that make you?
I take after my mother. Professor Stein wants to teach Oedipus here to respect his elders. Bet you were one of those students thought he was smarter than the teacher. Class dismissed.
Wonder Woman's outside, keeping what's left of the guards busy.
If it wasn't her, who let you out?
I did.
Kara?
Another Kryptonian?
You recognize me, Cal?
My parents stored your image on my ship. You're my protector.
Sorry I'm a few decades late. You and I left Krypton at the same time, but the explosion threw my ship off course. Way off course.
You haven't aged a day.
Hypersleep. While you were growing up, I was on ice.
I never thought I'd see family again. Someone with my eyes, my own blood. You knew my parents.
They loved you so much, Cal. Diana needs a hand. Cyborg, how long?
Give me 5 more minutes, then it's lights out.
I don't want to leave you.
I'll be here.
Ella está sobre tu nivel.
She is not out of our league. What happened to your confidence?
Kryptonians happen.
Come on, Batman's counting on us.
Gotta hand it to Palmer. His people's cryptography is legit. Doesn't mean I won't break it.
Victor, behind you!
What's your melting point, Cyborg?
Red Sun generators!
We need to reactivate that console before Superman powers up.
Amateur hour's over, rookies.
I think I got this. Sweet arm cannon! I got one too.
Quit playing, kid. You even know how to use that?
If you ever want tips, let me know.
Brainiac's too much for Batman. I'm your only chance.
Here's the thing, Superman. Batman asked us for help. He didn't draft us, make us sign a loyalty oath, or threaten us with jail.
He won't go far enough. That's why he'll fail.
Stay away from him!
Kryptonian, huh? The professor knows how to deal with you.
Kryptonite! You're just as bad as Wonder Woman and Black Cat said!
Surrender and this stops.
Kryptonians don't surrender! We're freeing Kal-El, like it or not.
Let's switch partners.
We need Cal's help, kid. You have no idea what Brainiac can do.
No, but I know what Superman can do.
Professor and I trapped Wonder Woman under 10 feet of steel.
You fought valiantly. But this battle's over.
You want me to do what? Professor, that's crazy. Maybe we can control it, but... You're right. No other option. Get out of here, Jaime!
Jesucristo, Jason! You're gonna nuke us?
It's the only way. Now go! Leave, all of you, or you'll get a hell of a lot worse than a sunburn.
You'd blow up Metropolis rather than let Superman go?
I'd save the Earth.
Firestorm, stand down!
Who are you?
Superman's overprotective cousin.
You keep so many secrets, but you can't stand it when one's kept from you, can you?
You can't beat Brainiac, Bruce.
You're right, Diana. I can't.
What the?
You're ready to stop Brainiac by any means necessary.
By the means at hand.
What's your game? You're always 3 moves ahead.
Saving the world is enough for now.
I'm never going back in that cell.
We'll cross that bridge later. Right now, the world needs us.
और उधर ब्रेनियक को भी ये खबर पता चल जाती है कि सुपरमैन के अलावा भी कोई क्रिप्टोनियन मौजूद है और वो ग्रॉड को बुलाकर उसे ऑर्डर देता है कि उन क्रिप्टोनियंस को कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, वो मेरा शिकार हैं और उनको सही सलामत मेरे तक पहुंचाया जाए।
Brainiac, there have been surprising developments. Kal-El is free, but more remarkably, he is not the last Kryptonian. There is another refugee.
2 Kryptonians?
Continue as planned. Kal-El is not yet at full strength. But remember, the Kryptonians belong to me.
इसके बाद सब मेंबर्स एक साथ दोबारा टेबल पर इकट्ठे होते हैं जहां वो पहले बैठा करते थे जस्टिस लीग वाले दौर में। लेकिन इन सब डिस्कशन में बैटमैन फायरस्टॉर्म को एक सीक्रेट मिशन पर भेजता है और वहां सुपरमैन भी आ जाता है कारा के साथ। बैटमैन कहता है कि हम तब तक कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे जब तक ब्रदर आई को रिपेयर नहीं किया जाएगा और वो इसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी साइबोर्ग को देता है, मगर वो मदद करने से इनकार कर देता है। लेकिन सुपरमैन के कहने पर वो मान जाता है। मगर ब्रदर आई बैट केव में थी और सारे रास्ते बंद थे सिवाय एक टनल के। तो बैटमैन हार्ली और कैट वुमन को साइबोर्ग के साथ भेजता है बैट केव में ब्रदर आई को रिपेयर करने के लिए।
Make up for it by finishing another mission, discreetly.
We have to evacuate these cities before attacking the fleet, but we need communications restored first. So before we get started, Cyborg's going to fix Brother Eye.
I am not Bat Tech support.
That's not the issue, Victor. Kara saw firsthand how Brainiac destroyed Krypton. She says we have less than 48 hours before he does the same to Earth.
Without tight coordination, we'll lose valuable time.
And that means we fix Brother Eye.
Catwoman and Harley will join you. You'll need their help getting into the Batcave.
Just give me the coordinates. I'll open a portal and boom tube in.
You can't. I reverse engineered your armor's motherbox technology.
Try teleporting into the Batcave. Set a boom, it'll go splat.
So, how do we get in?
The old underground. There's a tunnel entrance under Arkham.
I'm taking you two to Arkham Asylum.
Promise it won't be awkward or nothing.
I need a few hours in the solarium at the Fortress of Solitude. Assuming you haven't torn it down.
Not yet.
Damien, Adam, you're with me.
And the rest of us? We can't just sit here.
We plan our attack. Once Brother Eye's online, we mobilize. Remember, out there, there's no regime. Not anymore. So we do not kill. Let's go.
You're with me.
जब वो तीनों बैट केव में पहुंचते हैं तो वहां पर उनको डेडशॉट और बेन से मुकाबला करना पड़ता है, जिनको हराने के बाद साइबोर्ग को ब्रेनिया के एक छोटे से रोबोट से मुकाबला करना पड़ता है जो कि उसी का क्लोन था, यानी कि साइबोर्ग का ही क्लोन उसी से निकाला था उसने अपनी पावर से। और उनको हराने के बाद वो ब्रदर आई को रिपेयर करता है और सब लोगों के कॉमलिंक्स दोबारा ऑन हो जाते हैं।
It's too quiet.
Bogies, and they're not bats.
I told Grodd you were loyal to the Bat. He called me paranoid. At least he listened when I said Batman would not relinquish his cave so easily. Soon, not just this place, but all of Gotham will be mine.
I've got business with Bane.
Of all the ways to torment the Bats, hurting you is one of my favorites.
Yet you've never broken me. Was that as fun for you as it was for me? Ready to meet Brother Eye?
About damn time. System's still running. Brother Eye needs a clean power source. Something Brainiac can't touch.
The cave's got backup generators.
That should do it.
Victor Stone, the pinnacle of human evolution.
Someone has a secret admirer.
But your humanity inhibits your true potential. You must purge it.
Interesting thought. Just one problem. I'm a team player, and humanity, that's my team.
But you are capable of so much more.
Grid online. I am your vast memory and intellect, liberated from the weaknesses of flesh and emotion.
Apparently liberated from my good looks and charm, too. We need that backup power. Now. So, Grid. This mirror match as weird for you as it is for me?
For years I dwelled as a subroutine within your system, an anomaly. I never fathomed an existence outside you. Now, I realize my perfection. And your obsolescence.
Not so perfect after all.
Backup power's on.
Let's get this party started.
No human, not even you, can gain control of my neural network.
Not trying to. Just teaching Brother Eye to ignore you.
This minor success will not save you.
Brother Eye is online.
Welcome back.
Thank you, Miss Kyle. Warning, Victor Stone has infiltrated the Batcave, deploying countermeasures.
Defense System override. Authorization LK4D4.
System Administrator Selena Kyle. Retinal verification required. Identity confirmed. Standing down.
Brother Eye, bring Geosync comms online. Bruce, the comms are yours.
Copy. Brother Eye, broadcast on the old Justice League band.
Broadcasting.
We're back online, everyone. We have 1 hour to evacuate civilians before we engage Brainiac and the fleet.
अब यहाँ पर हमारी ये वीडियो आज की एंड हो जाती है। अगले 1-2 वीडियो में कोशिश करूँगा इसको पूरी को ख़त्म करने की, ताकि हम फ्यूचर में कुछ नया शुरू कर सकें। तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। तो खुश रहें, खुश रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।